So here is a personal learning environment on an iPad. The home screen is the portal to the student's personal learning environment and contains the primary tools and apps that students most use at home and at school. And you can see most of the apps deal with communication and scheduling, but there's also news and a Kindle. The apps here at the bottom are the ones that students will likely access from every page or part of their personal learning environment. So I put the camera, the browser, and email there. So moving on, the next screen begins the student's personal learning network and portfolio. And what we discovered on the iPad was that many of the learning tools and social network apps had built-in private portfolios that could at any time be shared and made public. So the next few screens contain a blending of these two areas of the student's personal learning environment. So this screen holds the primary learning tools that the student uses throughout the day, mainly for school, but also for personal use. And I'll just point out, Dropbox is how they share assignments. This app right here goes directly to their school website where they get all their assignments and interactions with their teachers. Good Reader is a good example of both a good online social networking tool as well as a place to store items. So if you go to the portfolio, you can see, for example, here's a book talk that the student had done, and she can make that public at any time through some of the sharing features here. So Google Drive and KidBlog are two other private and public collaboration and portfolio tubes. YouTube, again, of course, is a way to enable the student to showcase the videos that she's created. ScreenChomp right here is another social networking tool in which students can combine whiteboard technology with VoiceThread and create videos they can share with teachers or fellow students. The next screen contains subject or skill-specific folders, starting with research, which is useful here for all the classes. And you'll see here the library catalog right here and some other databases that are used regularly. Also the social bookmarking tool Delicious right here. And then you'll see math and science and all these other tools that are used specifically within classes. Music, you'll see GarageBand, and we sort of debated whether or not GarageBand should be in this folder or the general tools area or even in entertainment, but we decided to try it out here first. And we had some of the same questions about the tools in the visual arts folder and decided to bundle them up here for now. And then finally we have an entertainment section at the end, which helps keep temptation away from the students' learning tools and networks. So Netflix and Amazon Instant Video and a games folder is here at the end.